Welcome to the STAAR Test Online tutorial.
Before getting started, you should be completely signed out of your Chromebook.
This should be the screen they should see when they are signed out. From here, they will go to Apps and click on the STAAR Online Testing Program. From this screen, students will click on the tutorials, wait for it to load, and then make some selections. They will start by selecting either English or Spanish, their grade level, the subject they want to test on, and the appropriate accommodation for the test. They now click Take Test. From here, students will be able to follow along with the program and be able to learn how to use all the tools that are available on the STAAR Online platform.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy white dog.
As they go through the tutorial, it'll show them where to click and what options are available. Students finish the tutorials, they can now be assigned a practice test. To do this, they start by clicking on Practice, waiting for it to load. Once the program loads, they can select on the STAAR release they wish to practice on. The grade, it is limited to 4th, 5th, and 8th grades, and make the appropriate selections for subject and type of test. Once the sound check is complete, students can now practice on the STAAR questions. They can utilize all the tools that they learned in their tutorials. Thank you.